सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Page 72, verse 102. द्वैतावज्ञासु स्थिता चेत् अद्वैते स्थिरा भवेत्. स्थैर्ये तस्याः पुमानेश जीवन्मुक्त इतीर्यते. Vidyaranya highlighting a very important point. A person after attaining Brahma Jnanam, his or her perception towards the world, the experience continues as before. The divisions also continues as before. As before means when he was in Ajnana Avastha, he used to see Sajatiya, Vijatiya, Swagata, Bheda. The differences between one species, Sajatiya Bheda, and Swagata Bheda, like the tree has got Swagata Bheda. Flower is different, branch is different, leaves are different. That is Swagata Bheda within that one vriksha, Swagata Bheda. Sajatiya Bheda between one tree and other tree, between one species and other species. See, human beings itself there are differences. Sajatiya Bheda. Human jati, Manushya jati itself has got difference, male, female, and Africans, Australians, Indians, Sajatiya Bheda. This also continues. Hand only he sees, nose as nose, Swagata Bheda continues, Sajatiya Bheda continues. Vijatiya Bheda also continues. He knows the difference between dog and human being. Vijatiya Bheda also continues very much. And function of each object as it is. Jasmine smells as jasmine. Rose smells as rose. Poison cannot become amritam for a jnani. Because he is a jnani, let him drink what? Poison. Jnani is intelligent. Vyavaharikally, poison is poison. Atma Jnanam is only from the standpoint of Atma. Therefore, people challenge. If he is a jnani or she is a jnani, he should or she should drink poison. Because Sarvam Brahmamayam. When Sarvam Brahmamayam, why not poison Brahman? Jnani is Rumba Samat, is very much intelligent. Sarvam Brahmamayam from Atma standpoint, Paramarthika Drishtya, not from body standpoint. He takes care of the body. Therefore, we should not extend food also. Everything is Brahman. All food are given by Brahman only. Why can't he can drink this somewhat spirit? He drinks some other spirit, not that spirit. Jnani drinks what spirit? Atma. That spirit he drinks, not this alcohol spirit. Therefore, Jnani knows their function also properly. Having said that, now in this 1 or 2, Jnani knows that experience, function and the divisions are to be seen as before after knowledge also. But what is the difference, the perception? Here Vidyaranya says, Dvaita avagna susthita chet. When you get that knowledge of that Dvaitam as Dvaitam, Dvaita avagna, the knowledge, avagna means the knowledge of Dvaitam, Anatma Nama Rupa Prapancha, Susthita, when it is firm, doubtless. As long as you see a snake, you cannot see the rope. If you see the rope clearly only, you will not see the snake again. Similarly, as long as you see the reality in Nama Rupa, you can never understand Brahman. If you understand Brahman, you can never give reality to the Nama Rupa. Satta Bheda you understand. As long as you are in the dream, you can never falsify the dream. As long as you are in the dream, you can never falsify the dream. When you come to waking state, you won't feel the dream. You don't have dream that time. So, dream sattve jagrat abhavaha, jagrat sattve swapna abhavaha. Rajju jnana sattve sarpa jnana abhavaha. Sarpa jnana sattve Sarpajnana sattve Rajjujnana abhavaha. Why? Because that happens to be the same object. Where you are seeing snake, there alone is the rope. Where you are seeing rope, there alone you saw the snake. Like that, this world also what you are seeing is nothing but Brahman only. Where you are seeing the world now, there alone really Brahman. Once you understand Brahman, that is called Susthita. Dvaita avagna susthita chet. Once you understand the Dvaitam as Dvaitam, Anatma, Vyavahara, unreal, Mithya, Nama Rupa, Nirvisesham, Chit plus Nama Rupa is Pramata. Nama Rupa is Mithya, therefore Pramatrutvam is Mithya. Nirvishesham Chit Aham Satyam. Nirvishesham means attributeless consciousness. I am playing the role of Nama Rupa as a knower of this flower, Pramata. So I am operating the Pramanam. I get the knowerhood. How I got knowerhood? Nama Rupa Shariram plus consciousness. The original consciousness, I am really attributeless. Once I associate with the body, mind, sense organs, I get the knowledge of this prameyam, flower knowledge, therefore I become pramata. So my pramatrutvam status is mithya and this nama rupa is mithya, it is a temporary. Once I see the world, outside world, Nirvisesham Sat plus Nama Rupa is Prameyam. Nirvisesham Sat. Here originally Sat alone is there, easiness. Pure easiness you cannot see. Pure easiness, can you see? You cannot see. Therefore, along with flower, flower is. You understand the easiness along with flower. You can never understand the easiness without flower. So, Nirvisesham Sat, you can never understand. You understand along with the flower. So, Nirvisesham Sat plus flower Nama Rupa is what? Object flower. Understand? Very important point. Last class I have introduced this point. Nirvisesham Sat means pure existence. Pure existence you understand, you can comprehend through an Nama Rupa object. Here what is the Nama Rupa in my hand now? Flower name is there, flower form is there. So the flower Nama Rupa Dwara, what we are understanding? Sat Brahma. That is why you say flower is, you say. You are knowing two things now here. What are those two? Sat Brahman plus Nama Rupa flower. Nama Rupa flower, you say is. So isness is borrowed from that Sat Brahman, this flower borrows. Easiness borrows what? Nama Rupa for its manifestation. Very important point. Carefully listen. Flower borrows easiness from Brahman, existence from Brahman, Sat Brahma. Sat Brahman borrows Nama Rupa for its manifestation. Vyangya Vyanjaka Bhavaha. Vyangya Vyanjaka Bhavaha. The flower is revealing that Brahman now. Flower is the revealer of Brahman, Sat Brahman. How it is revealing? Flower is. Without flower, can you say is? What is? And you ask. To say is, you have to use one Nama Rupa. Therefore, flower becomes the Vyangyaha, Vyanjakaha, revealer. For whose manifestation? Sat Brahman manifestation. What is that Sat Brahman? Isness. Irupudal. Flower irukka. And the irukka kannala paaka mudiyadu. And the buddhi moolama unara mudiyum. Irukka tanmai. இருக்கங்கிறது எது மூலமா? ஒரு ஃப்ளவர் ஆப்ஜெக்ட் மூலமா. ஸோ ஃப்ளவர் பிகம்ஸ் த வியஞ்சகா. பிரம்ம சைத்தன்யம் பிகம் வியங்கியா, ரிவீல்டு. ஆஸ் தோ ரிவீல்டு. பிகாஸ் சுத்த பிரம்மன் cannot be revealed by itself for its manifestation. Then what is big deal with that? Suddha Brahman also depending upon flower. Flower is depending, borrowing existence from Brahman. Both of them are depending each other, mutual dependence. Anyonya ashrayaha. Problem comes in. No, there is some difference. Suddha Brahman depend upon flower only for manifestation, not for its existence. Shuddha Brahman depend upon the flower only for its manifestation, not for its existence. Because Shuddha Brahman was existed, is existent, ever will be existed in future also. Therefore, flower can not exist without Shuddha Brahman. Therefore, whenever you say object, you have to say compulsorily is. You have to say. You have to say. Then how Brahman, I will repeat this again. Okay. Pure, this flower always depending upon Sat for its existence. So they are dependently existing. Brahman is not dependently existing. Therefore, Brahman is Swatantraha. How do you know na? In deep sleep, I exist or not. I am in deep sleep. Without any object, I exist. So that existence is called Swatantra Satta, without attributes. I am neither Swapna Purushaha, nor Jagrat Purushaha, nor even Sushupti Purushaha. I do not know I am sleeping that time. At that time, without knowing the sleeper knowledge, am I there or not? Very much there. Therefore, that is the proof I, the existent consciousness principle, exist even without body, nama, rupa. You recollect after waking up. Okay? So therefore, when I say Nirvisesham Chitu with Nama Rupa, I am a Pramata. When I say Nirvisesham Satu plus Nama Rupa is Prameyam, since Sadeva Chitu Chideva Sat, I the Pramata, I the Nirvisesham Chit, the Nirvisesham Sat Prameyam, the Pramata, nothing but Sat Chit. I alone play the role of Pramata, I alone play the role of Prameyam. So Prameyam Patam Nane, Bhavamum Nane, the part is and the lyric I am, Bhava also I am, in the meaning is also I am, everything I am, like that. I am only Pramata, I am only Prameyam. Even that Pramanams are also, Mahavakya Pramanam comes to negate. You are Satyam. Negate all Pramanams are Mithya and cholli Veda Pramana just disappears. Veda Pramana comes to refute all Pramanams as Mithya, and Veda tells I am also Mithya, Tata, bye bye. Veda Pramanam comes to show all the Pramanams, Shabda, Sparsha, Rupa, Rasa, Gandha, all the Pramanams, Pratyaksha, Anumana, Upamana, Arthapatti, all the Pramanams are Mithya, Vyavaharika Satyam. What about you, the Vedana? I am also Mithya. Who said I am Satyam? Veda Mata tells, to show you all Pramanams are Mithya, I am waiting. After your knowledge, once you get knowledge, I also accept I am Mithya. What about Jnanam? The Jnanam, what you have given? If you ask Veda Mata, oh Veda Mata, the knowledge what you have given is Satyam or Mithyana. That you decide. Veda Mata tells that you decide, not me. Veda Mata tells, if you decide you are a Jnani. If you don't decide, you study me again and again. That Jnani recognize, yes, oh mother, Veda Mata, Jnanam also Mithya. I am Satyam, Aham Brahma is a Vritti Jnanam. Vritti Jnanam is also a Mithya. Once I understand I am a Jnana Swarupam, that Vritti taken place, Aham Brahmasmi Vritti in the intellect, the intellect is Mithya, the Vritti Jnanam resin in the intellect also Mithya, I remain as what? Brahman. That is why being. You need not become a Jnani. Understand? You need not become a Jnani. You recognize you are a Jnana Swarupam Brahma. There is no becoming a Jnani. If you become means, afterwards it will go away. Therefore, he says that is called Sthira Jnanam. Susthita ched advaite dhihi sthira bhaved. Then only Advaite, in Advaita Jnanam, non-dual Brahman, your dhihi, intellect, sthira bhavet. By listening Panchadashi, Upanishads, Bhagavad Gita, thoroughly your Advaita Jnanam sthira bhavet. First Jnanam, Paroksha Jnanam, then Aparoksha Jnanam. First Paroksha Jnanam Varanam, Brahma asti, asti, asti. then only Brahma Asmi, Vijnanam. 7th chapter lo we are going to see on Wednesdays next, after 6th chapter. Lord Krishna says, Vijnanam, Vijnanam. So first Jnanam I have to get, then Vijnanam. Sthairye tasyaha puman eshaha jivan muktaha iti iryate. That person is called as, iryate means is called as puman, eshaha puman, this person. Who is this person? Tasyaha sthairye, Advaita Jnana sthairye. Once that Advaita Jnanam, knowledge about the non-dual Brahman as himself or herself, that knowledge is very sthira, firm, then he is known as, he is called as Jivan Muktaha. Jivan Muktaha. Here now itself is a Jnani, liberated while living. While living, he is a Jivan Muktaha. Next shloka we will read. Iti iryate means is called as Jivan Muktaha. For that Vidyaranya is giving a Smriti Pramana from Bhagavad Gita, 2nd chapter, shloka 72. Very, very important shloka. We saw long ago, 2 times, 2 courses we saw. In 2nd chapter, Sthita Prajna Lakshana is the last shloka. We'll read. Shloka 103. Esha Brahmi Sthitif Partha Nainam Prapya Vimuhyati Sthitva Syamanta Kalepi Brahma Nirvana Mrichati. I need not explain, I hope, because all of you know the meaning. But 2 important points I would like to highlight. Esha Brahmi Sthitihi. This alone is known as Brahmi Sthiti. What is Brahmi Sthiti? Firm knowledge in Advaita alone eliminate that reality in duality. The reality you are giving for duality will be eliminated. In the previous sloka, what he said, that knowledge, Esha, that knowledge, that firm knowledge alone is called Brahmi Sthitihi. Brahmi Sthitihi. He Partha. He Partha, that alone is Brahmi Sthitihi. Enam Prapya. Enam Prapya means having attained this Brahmi Sthiti. Having attained this Brahma Bhava. Esham means Brahmi Sthitihi Prapya. Enam is equal to Brahmi Sthitihi. If you get that knowledge as early as possible, you can enjoy that rest of the life with Brahmananda. Even if you get in the last moment, tomorrow that person is going to die, suppose, and gets Aham Brahmasmi Jnanam, he is a Muktaha only. But how much he has enjoyed that Brahma Jnana Phalam? Only 24 hours. You want to enjoy only 24 hours or 25 years? At least 25 years. If you get knowledge as early possible, the duration of that Brahmananda is length, a long life. You know? Suppose you get at the age of 30, you are going to live up to 100 years, 100, above 100. 70 years of Jivan Mukta Sthiti. Okay. Suppose you get at the age of 50, that is also early only. You get 50, you enjoy the 50 years of Brahma Jnana Jivan Mukta Sthiti. Suppose you get at the age of 75, 25 years only you can have that Jivan Mukta Sthiti. 99th year love, suppose a person gets. Therefore, never postpone moksha. Never postpone moksha. நான் எல்லாம் செட்டில் பண்ணிட்டு வரேன் சுவாமினி. பொண்ணு கல்யாணம் ஆகணும், பையனுக்கு கல்யாணம் ஆகணும், வீடெல்லாம் செட்டில் பண்ணி எல்லாம் பண்ணிட்டு வரேன். அப்புறம் வரும், பரவாயில்ல. ஆனாலும் யூ cannot enjoy more time. பரவாயில்ல, something is better than nothing and okay. But you want to get that ananda, you have to spend time for this. That only is Brahmi Sthiti. Brahma Sambandhini Brahmi. Brahma Sambandhini Brahmi Sthiti. Yenam Prapya. Attaining this clarity. Don't think attaining Brahman anna irandar kalandar anna. No joining. Okay, there is no joining. Abiding. Abiding means what? Sitting on the Brahman. How can I sit on myself? Since I am Brahman, how can I sit on myself? Abiding means what? Remaining, abiding. That means getting clarity, not losing sight of, not forgetting, unforgetful nature. The availability of my Brahman nature when I need. When the situations are trivial, when there is a crisis, when there is a depression or frustration because of some sort of problem, either disease or old age or any other problem due to so many reasons, at that time I have to invoke, I am Paramarthika Satyam. This Vyavaharika Satyam body-mind relations cannot touch me. Asangoham, asangoham, punah punah. I am untouched by them. At that time it has to come to surface. For that sake only we are studying. Now also you are Brahman only. You cannot be other than Brahman. But you have that knowledge you are Brahman. The suffering, the pain in the mind is nil. It will not touch. The dream tiger can come and threaten you now. Dream lion or tiger cannot come and threaten you. Why? It is mithya. You see and explain also. Yesterday I saw the tiger, சிரிச்சுன்னு சொல்லுவோம். The tiger ரொம்ப ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கான்னு சொல்றான். அந்த எந்த ட்ரீம் டைகர். அது மாதிரி மை மாமியார் ரொம்ப ரொம்ப அதில் சிரிச்சுட்டே சொல்லலாம். அப்போ ஆமாம், ஷீ இஸ் அ கண்டாங்கரஸ் பர்சன், ப்ராப்ளமேட்டிக் பர்சன். அப்படி சிரிச்சுன்னே சொல்லலாம். என்ன அனாத்மா தானே, ட்ரீம் டைகர் மாதிரி தான். மை மாமியார் இஸ் ஆல்சோ another ட்ரீம் டைகர். அதுதான் மித்யாத்வ நிச்சயம் பண்ணிட்டோம்னா நோ ஒன் கேன் டிசப்பாயிண்ட் அஸ், நோ ஒன் கேன் காஸ் எனி பெயின் இன் அஸ். வி லுக் எட் தெம், பாவம், ignorant people. They do not know their real nature. I know my real nature, I know their real nature also. I know their body is also unreal, I know my body is also unreal. Its interactions also unreal, its problems are also unreal. Therefore, drama one scene, climax scene comes, suppose a tragedy scene. What do you do? In drama, serial, one tragedy scene. You are away from that. You are the witnesser. That's called neighborizing the problem. I neighborize my problem. I neighborize others' problem. I neighborize everything because problem cannot touch you. That is called Brahmi Sthiti. Here, now, itself. Not some other time. Stitva asyam antakale api brahma nirvanam richati. Asyam brahmi stitau stitva, having that jnanam all the time at the back of his mind. Unforgetfulness. Just as you never forget you are the human being. Asyam means Brahmi sthiti. That is called Brahmi sthiti. Stitva, being in that Brahmi sthiti. Antakali api, at the end of. Antakala means end in artham. Kala means time. End time is the literal meaning. End time is the literal. Anta means end. Kala means time. End time means what? Antakala means Vidyaranya wants to give two interpretations for that. That is the speciality of Vidyaranya here. For this Antakala, he gives two meanings that he is giving to the next two slokas. 104, one interpretation for Antakala. 105, another interpretation he gives. What is that interpretation? We will read later. Brahma nirvanam richati. Brahma nirvanam means videha mukti. Punarjanma nivritti. Second line talks about videha mukti. First line talks about jivan mukti. Enam prapya na vimuhyati is jivan mukti. While living, he will not be deluded in future. The delusion will not relapse. Some diseases, they relapse, after treatment. They relapse, they will come back again. Like that, this person will not get that moha delusion after knowledge again. Once he gets jnanam, that delusion for good, it has gone. For heaven's sake. For heaven's sake, for good, it will gone. It will go away. It has gone once for all. That is called Jivan Mukti. Then second line, Brahma Nirvanam Richati Antakale. Antakala is end for delusion. Here, second line, Antakala, you can take it as is free from rebirth. Antakala means free from rebirth. Videha mukti he attains. Next shloka we will read. That what he gives, the first interpretation, that is end of delusion he gives. End of delusion or confusion he gives in 104. And 105 he gives that Antakala Maranam. Videha mukti he gives. Sadadvaite nrute dvaite Yadanyonnaika vikshanam Tasyanta kalastadbheda Buddhireva na cetaraha. Very, very interesting shlokas. Sadadvaite. Advaite. Sat means real. Advaita means non-dual. Non-dual Brahman, that which is real. Sat means that which exists all the three periods of time. Trikale tishtati iti sat. That which exists all the three periods of time is called Sat. Trikale tishtati iti Sat. Bhuta Vartamana Bhavishyat Kala. Mithya Vastu doesn't exist like that. Jnana Kale Nashyati. Once you get Jnanam, the Vyavaharika Prapancha, its Satyatvam will go away. Therefore, it is called Anritam. यत् भाति परन्तु विचारेण अनन्तरं ज्ञान अनन्तरं नश्यति. Nashyati means its reality will go away. Advaite sat anrite dvaite. Anrite dvaite means dvaitam, that would nama rupa prapancha, mithya prapancha. Here dvaite means in mithya prapancha, the dual world. Dvaita means dual. Why it is called dvaita prapancha? Where you see duality, where you see different names, forms, differences, that is called duality. Bahutvam, you see, that is nama rupa mithya prapancha. Sat advaitam, that is non-dual, it is dual here. Both opposite, no? Both are opposite. That is, Brahman is Sat, this is Anrutam or Asat. What Asat? Not Tuchya Asat, Mithya Asat. So, Sat Brahman is real, Asat world is Anrutam, Mithya. Therefore, what we are doing, these two, we are mixing up. Yat Anyonya Aikya Vikshanam. Samsara is nothing but mixing up, avial, mixing up and messing up. What we are messing up na Satya Anrite Midhani Kritya. Here I, the Atma, am associated with the body mind. Which one is Anritam, which one is Satyam? We do not know. If we won't come to Shastra, we do not know. We are mixing up. What we are mixing up? Body mind complex, Panchabhuta Udal, Anrita Shariram plus Satchit, we are mixing up. Aham, I am, to say, you cannot say body mind complex alone, cannot say I. Sat Chit alone cannot say I. To say I am, நான் சொல்றதுக்கே நீங்க என்ன பண்ணணும்? Mix up பண்ணணும். Mix up பண்ணாமலே you cannot play husband role or wife role. Body mind alone cannot say I am your husband, I am your wife. Sat Brahman alone cannot say I am your Sat Brahman. சொல்ல முடியாது. So Sat Chit Brahman and body mind complex mix ஆனாதான் இந்த அகங்காரம் சிதாபாச ஃபார்ம் ஆகி, அந்த சிதாபாசம் ஃபார்ம் ஆனதுக்கு அப்புறம் அந்த அகங்காரத்தில் வந்து நான் வருது, ஈகோன்னு வருது. அப்போ என்ன பண்ணணும் பஞ்சதசி ஸ்டூடெண்ட்டு? ஈவன் தோ தே ஆர் டுகெதர் ஃபார் வியவஹார, this is vyavaharika satyam, this is paramarthika satyam, they cannot have real association. Anyonya aikyam is only a mithya aikyam. It is only a bhranti. It is not real actually. It is not real. But what we are doing? Anyonya aikyam kritva, 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 doing this aikyam and suffering. Enna suffering? Vyadhi, jara, marana, dukkha, insecurity, unhappiness, lack of peace. Therefore, what we have to understand, and the mixing up, without mixing up, you cannot do vyavahara. There, mixing up when you are doing vyavahara, don't take it as real. That is what we have to do. Anyonya aikya vikshanam. Having done that aikyam and looking at the world as one. What one? You are not knowing the Satchit is there in the world, you are not knowing. And this body mind complex Anrutam also you are not knowing. Having made both of them Anyonyam, Aikyam, your Vikshanam is what? Body is real, wife role is real, husband role is real, all your possessions are real, and problems are real, death is real, disease is real, all realo and கஷ்டப்படுறோம். வீட்டுக்கு வாசப்படின்னு ஒரு கதை, அந்த கதை சொல்லி கதைக்குள்ள கதை பாருங்க. ஏற்கனவே இதே கதை. கதைக்குள்ள கதை என்ன அர்த்தம்? உலகமே ஒரு கதை, அதுக்குள்ள இந்த வீட்டு கதை, இதுதான் நம்ம கதை. It will come, wait. So he says, tasya antakalaha. Tasya antakalaha means anyonya aikya vikshana antakalaha. Satya anruta midhunikarana antakalaha. So knowingly I do vyavahara. Now you are sthira prajnaha or not, they are testing you. So antakalaha, tasya antakalaha means anyonya aikya vikshana antakalaha. Anruta satya dvaita, anruta dvaita satya advaita anyonya aikya vikshana antakalaha means that vikshanam is mithya. What I was seeing as real, I have to understand it is unreal. Who is understanding? I, the consciousness, I am understanding. I, the consciousness, I am understanding that Anruta Dvaitam is mithya. And the mixture lo, which one is satyam, which one is mithya? Advaita sat, I am satyam. Anruta dvaita nama rupa prapancha, including my body mind complex also is mithya. The electricity also mithya. Fluctuating electricity is also mithya. Therefore it cannot disturb me. Accept its limitation. That அதோட தான் பண்ணும் வேலை. அதுதான், அது இல்லைன்னா சார் நல்லா வேலை பண்ண அது பிரம்மமாயிடும். ஸோ அனாத்மா will not function properly. Body anatma will not function properly. Mind anatma also will not function properly, perfectly. Perfection is not possible in anatma. Atma is ever perfect. Anatma is never perfect. My voice is also not perfect because of electricity is not perfect. Fluctuation in my voice also because anatma. So anatma is never perfect. Atma is ever perfect. Therefore I, the ever perfect Atma, manage with never perfect anatma. So what? So what? No problem. I know how to handle this imperfect anatma. How do I know? How I know? It is imperfect and I know. Therefore I handle as it is. Therefore tasya antakalaha. And the aikya vikshana antakalaha. They are not one but they are two. Dvaita, anruta dvaitam is different. Satya advaitam is different. Therefore, they are not one and the same. Aikya Vikshanam will be eliminated. Aikya Vikshanam enna artham? Sat, Chit, Tani, body, mind, Anrutam is Tani. Idu vere, adu vere. Aanal rendume joint partners. ஒருத்தர் வந்து உண்மையான பார்ட்னர், இன்னொருத்தர் வந்து பொய்யான ஒரு பார்ட்னர். பொய் சத்தியம் ரெண்டு இருந்துதானே இந்த உலகமே இருக்க முடியும். சுத்த பிரம்மனும் இன்ட்ராக்ஷன் பண்ண முடியாது, சுத்த அனாத்மாவும் இன்ட்ராக்ஷன் பண்ண முடியாது. இப்போ இன்ட்ராக்ஷன் பண்ணணும்னா யூ வாண்ட் டு என்ஜாய் திஸ் வேர்ல்ட், யூ ரிக்வயர் வாட்? மிக்சர் வேணுமா வேண்டாமா? அதனால மிக்சரில் அந்த வேர்க்கடலை தனியாக சாப்பிட்டா டேஸ்டியாக இருக்காது. அந்த வேர்க்கடலை மிக்சரில் பூந்தியில் போட்டு சாப்பிட்டா டேஸ்டியாக இருக்கும். அது மாதிரி இந்த சத்து சித்து சும்மா சாப்பிட்டா ஐயோ சப்புன்னு இருக்கும். சுத்த அத்வைத்தம் சுத்த சித்து நோ டேஸ்ட் அட் ஆல். ஏன்னா அவருக்கு அரூபம் அஸ்பர்ஷம் அகந்தம் அஸ்பர்ஷம் ரசம். தேர்ஃபோர் அவர் இந்த அனாத்மா மாயாவோட மிக்ஸ் ஆனாது அவருக்கு டேஸ்ட். ஸோ மிக்சர் வில் பி so tasty when you mix Sat-Chit. Sat-Chit is so tasty when Namarupa is there. Therefore, இந்த நாமரூப பிரபஞ்சம் வேணுமா வேண்டாமா? This is called Jnanam. So, no moha now. No moha at all. Antakala. Now, delusion ku Antakalam vandada illaya? This is called Antakala. புரியுறதா? End time for delusion. Delusion ends. Antakala. Tad bheda buddhi reva. That buddhi is bheda buddhi. ஐக்கிய வீக்ஷணம் இருக்குல்ல, அது பேத புத்தி. பேத புத்தி என்ன? அவன் வேற இவன் வேற அது வேற இது வேறன்னு பார்க்கறது பேத புத்தி. இந்த பேத புத்தி போறதுதான் ஜீவன் முக்தி. Tad bheda buddhi means the knowledge of their difference. The knowledge of their difference, you have to understand Sat Chit is different. It is higher order of reality. And Nama Rupa Prapancha is lower order of reality. So this difference, this knowledge of these two are different. They are not samasattakam. They are different. They are vishamasattakam. Different order of reality. Tad bheda buddhi eva na itaraha. Antakala means nothing but the end of this delusion. What delusion? This whole world ஐக்கியமா பார்க்க கூடாது. அந்த டிஃபரன்ஸ் பார்த்துட்டே இருக்கணும். எங்கெங்க பார்க்க வேண்டாம், இங்க பார்க்கணும். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இந்த உடம்புல அகம் ஐஎம் நான் இருக்கேன் எனக்கு தெரியும்ங்கிறது சத்தியமா அன்ருத்தமா? சத்தியம். ஓகே, நவ் யூ சி தஸ்ய அந்தகாலஹ அன்யோன்ய ஐக்கிய வீக்ஷணம். தஸ்ய அந்தகாலஹ தட் வேத புத்திஹி தத் புத்திஹி ஏவ அந்தகாலஹ. தத் பேத புத்திஹி அந்தகாலஹ ஏவ ந இதரஹ. அங்கே அந்தகாலஹன்னு என்ன அர்த்தம்? த டெல்யூஷன் ends. தட் பேத புத்தி. டெல்யூஷன் இஸ் கால்ட் பேத புத்தி இஸ் கால்ட் டெல்யூஷன். பேத புத்தி என்ன அர்த்தம்? சீயிங் ஹீ இஸ் டிஃபரெண்ட், ஷீ இஸ் டிஃபரெண்ட், நாம ரூபா இஸ் டிஃபரெண்ட், டிஃபரெண்ட் ரியாலிட்டி டிஃபரெண்டாக பார்க்குறோம். ஆனால் கிவிங் ரியாலிட்டி பேத புத்தி. That Veda Buddhi ends, that is alone is mentioned here. Na itaraha. Antakala anna onnume illa. Antakala anna inda ajnanathukku or antakalam avladha nu சொல்றாரு. Na itaraha. Other than end of this delusion, there is no antakale brahma nirvanam richati enna என்னமோ நினச்சிக்காதுங்கோ. இங்கே உங்களுக்கு டெல்யூஷனே வராமல் இருக்கிறது தான் அந்தகாலம். பீப்புள் டேக் லிட்ரலி அந்த காலம். ஆமாம், அந்த காலம் வந்தப்புறம் மோட்சம் வந்துடும். ஏன்னா மெனி பீப்புள் கன்க்ளூட் வைல் லிவிங் முக்திங்கிறதே கிடையாது. தட் இஸ் சிம்பிளி ஃபூலிஷ் பீப்புள் ஜஸ்ட் டாக்கிங் லைக் தட். தே சே they will never accept what Shastra says. That's why Vidyaranya pointing out here very very carefully. People conclude Antakalam means moksha comes after Antakalam only. Krishna also said Antakalam Brahma Nirvanam Richati. He attains Brahman at the end of life. அதுக்காக விழுந்து விழுந்து படிப்பானே கிளாஸுக்கு வந்து இல்லையா? அந்த காலத்துக்காக வெயிட் பண்ணனா anyhow we are going to merge in Brahman. Why to study Bhagavad Gita, Upanishads and Panchadasi? இந்த மாதிரி கஷ்டத்தில் பவர் இல்லாமலே படிப்பானேன்னா அதுதான் வித்யாரண்யா says அந்த காலம்னா by living itself where you are at that place at that time your delusion ends. What delusion? Seeing the world Nama Rupa as real, that is Anritam, you understand. Sat is Advaitam Brahma, you understand. That understanding is the end of delusion. That is called Antakala. Now understand what is Antakala? Never vote for that Antakala. Our Antakala is what? Ajnana Antakala. Bhranti Antakala. Once Bhranti Antakala takes place, Brahma Nirvanam Richati. Brahma Nirvanam means what? Abiding in Brahman. Therefore, first line in the slokam. Second line, if you want to take popular meaning, he says, Prasiddhataha. And the meaning kuda nanu solrare. Yadvanta kalah pranasya viyogostu prasiddhitaha tasmin kalepi na bhrantehem gatayah punaragamah. Another interesting point, he says, second interpretation is the second line I said, that is for Videha Mukti. So this shloka connects to second line. Okay, Prasiddhitaha, popularly people take Antakala means at the time of death. Prasiddhitaha means popularly people immediate meaning is what? Antakala means at the time of death. At the time of death, what happens? Brahma Nirvanam Richati, Bhagavan Krishna says. What is that Brahma Nirvanam? He says, Yadva. Yadva means otherwise, or to give an alternate meaning. So first line I have given this meaning, Antakala I have interpreted like this. Or if you want to take alternate meaning, this meaning also we can take. What is that? Antakalaha, the end time means pranasya viyogaha. Pranasya viyogaha astu prasiddhitaha. Let there be a popular conventional ideas in the people, Antakalana. Pranasya sthula sharirat viyogaha. The prana dissociates from the gross body. This is called also Antakala. Pranasya. The regular death is this. From the body, the prana breathing is separated. The separation of prana from the body, or dissociation of prana from gross body. Astu prasiddhitaha. Let it be there, that popular meaning also. People have that idea. Tasmin kale api, even at that end time also, kale api, Bhrantehe na agataha, punaragamaha agataha, gatayaha punaragamaha na. Once this Bhranti has gone, Bhrantehe, that Antakala means the person has attained Jnanam. After attaining Jnanam, will he get back that Bhranti again? Next birth again, Virukumavarake. Because he passed away now, that Jnanam also will pass away. Apadiya, anik sandeham varlam. Our poitar, Jnanam kuda poiduthu enna. Enna intellect lana Jnanam varade. So intellect has gone, Jnanam also has to go. People think like that. உங்களுக்கு சந்தேகம் வருது அது நமக்கு வராது. Because நம்மெல்லாம் சமத்து. See, once the Jnanam comes in the intellect, once the intellect and the Jnanam vanda udane, so Antakala, once it comes, a person dies, that Jnanam also dies. Brahma Jnanam also. So once Brahma Jnanam also dies, again he has to born. That's why Krishna says Brahma Nirvanam Richati means what? He will not enter in the next body. Antakale api. Antakale api gnanathikku antam kadiyadu. Sarirathikku da antam. He will not enter in the next body, because to enter in the next body, next janma, punarjanma, you require karma. Because this Jnani has destroyed entire Sanchita. Sanchitam khaliya empty ah irukku. Cell phone la oru varatti empty ah irukku, inbox la pathado. In the inbox la empty ah irundha enna artham, நம்ம sanchitam full ah empty ah irukku. அந்த inbox enmaata adu. அந்த இன்பாக்ஸ் செல்ஃபோனில் நம்ம சஞ்சிதா எம்டியாக இருக்க. அப்போ ஜன்மம் எப்படி வரும்? இந்த ஞானி அந்த சஞ்சித்தன்னு எம்டி ஆக்கிட்டார். எம்டி சஞ்சித இன்பாக்ஸ்னு எம்டி ஆக்கிட்டார். ஆக்கினதுக்கப்புறம் இந்த ஈவன் ஹி ட்ராப்ஸ் திஸ் பாடி அந்த காலே அப்பி வியோக காலே அப்பி புனः பிராந்தி ஆகச்சதி வா? எகெயின் தட் பிராந்தி அந்யோன்ய ஐக்கிய பிராந்தி. The whole world is real. Bhranti will come again. Gatayaha punaragamaha nasti. Once for all, this ajnanam has gone. It will not come back. That is the meaning. Punaragamaha means marana kala anantaram videha mukti, end of a person. Videha mukti means end of the person. Antakala, maranakala. Gatayaha sashti. The bhranti is strilingam. The adjective gatayaha is the adjective to bhranti. Gatayaha bhranti. That bhranti delusion which has gone, will it relapse again? Will it relapse again? It will not relapse. What are all the places it will not relapse? Even though he is a diseased person, he is a bedridden person, that's what he is giving. 5 stages. And the 5 stages la kuda in the ajnanam relapse ஆகாது. திருப்பி ஒரு வாட்டி ஞானம் வந்தான்னா, சுவாமினியா ஞானம் போயிடுமோ அந்த மாதிரி நீ பயப்பட வேண்டாம். திருப்பி வரவே வராது. போன ஆள் போனதுதான். Delusion gone for good. What are all stages? He says, just I'll introduce this shloka. Niroga upavishto va rugno va viluthan bhumim मूर्छितो वा त्यजत्येषः त्यजत्वेषः प्राणान् भ्रान्तिर्न सर्वथा. What are those 5? Nirogaha. He is free from disease. Suppose he is a healthy person. Nirgata rogaha yasmat. When he drops his body, when he is hale and healthy. Pranan tyajatu yeshaha purushaha jivan muktaha nirogaha. This is called a jivan mukti shloka. Nirogaha. Then second one is rugnaha. Second stage is rugnaha. Rugnaha means rogavan, the one who has got a chronic disease. Rugnaha is the second. Then third one is upavishtaha, sitting quietly, not doing anything and remaining quietly. Upavishtaha, that is third stage. Then fourth one is viluthan bhuvi. Suppose he moves all over the world. Maximum time is in the flight only, suppose. A gnani, Jivan Mukta gnani, Let him be a healthy person, let him have any disease, let him move foreign countries. சில பேர் நினைப்பான் அந்த ஞானி என்ன வெளிநாட்டுக்கெல்லாம் போகக்கூடாது, வெளிநாட்டுக்கு போனால் ஞானி இல்லைன்னு நினைக்கிறான். அந்த மாதிரி ஒன்றும் கிடையாது. ஞானி கேன் கோ எனிவேர், நோ ரிஸ்ட்ரிக்ஷன்ஸ் ஃபார் ஹிம். ஓகே, there are no restrictions for him. விலுட்டன் புவி என்னார், அதுக்கு தான் புவி என்ன அர்த்தம்? எனி கண்ட்ரி, ஆஸ்திரேலியாவா, அமெரிக்காவா, ஆப்பிரிக்காவா, சிங்கப்பூர்வா, இந்தியாவா, எங்கேயாவது போ, எனிவேர் யோகோ. அந்த ஜீவன் முக்தி எங்கேயாவது போயிடுமா? நீங்கள் ஆஸ்திரேலியா போயிட்டான்னு ஜீவன் முக்தி போச்சு, அமெரிக்கா போனால் ஜீவன் முக்தி போயிடு தானே சொல்லுவான். எனக்கு ரோகம் வந்தது அதனால ஜீவன் முக்தி போயிடுது அப்படி சொல்லுவேன்னு. ஹெல்தி ஞானி மஸ்ட் பி ஹெல்தி பர்சன் அண்ணா அப்படி சொன்னால் எந்த ஞானி ஹெல்தியே கிடையாது. They are also having ill health. Okay, not only that, Murchitova, fifth stage. Suppose a person is in Murchitaha. Murchitaha means, you understand, Murchitaha, epilepsy. Suppose sometimes faints, he will be fainted, and the Murchita. அந்த டைமில் நன்னவான இருக்கும்போது, சப்போஸ் he leaves the body, this ஜீவன் முக்தா leaving the body either when he is healthy, jnanam is not disturbed, or rogavan, at the time of death he is diseased person, ICU lo vechirpan, இந்த ஒரு டியூப் அந்த ஒரு டியூப் வந்து டாக்டர் வந்து பார்த்துட்டே இருப்பான். அப்படி என்ன சொன்னால் அவனுக்கு ஞானம் போயிடும், அகம் பிரம்மாஸ்மி ஞானம் போகாது. உத்திஷ்டோவா, சும்மா உட்கார்ந்துருக்க ஒன்றுமே பண்ணாமலே, நோ ஆக்டிவிட்டிஸ், நத்திங். அப்படி என்ன இந்த ஞானம் ஹம் பிரம்மாஸ்மி சொல்கிறதே இல்லை, அவனு சொல்லாமலே சும்மா அப்படியே உத்திஷ்டா தியஜத்து, ஹி லெஃப்ட் த பாடி. அப்படின்னா ஞானம் போயிடுமா? நிதித்தியாசனம் பண்ணாமலே இருக்கான் அவர், அதனால ஞானம் போயிடுமா? போகாது. நாட் ஓன்லி தட், விலுட்டன் புவி, நான் அட் தட் வேட் த டைம் ஆஃப் ஃப்ளைட்லோனே பிராணம் போயிடுது. சப்போஸ் என்ன ஆகும் பாவம்? சப்போஸ் எனி ஆக்சிடென்ட், ஃபயர், அப்போ என்ன, வாட் ஹேப்பன் டு திஸ் ஜீவன் முக்தா? அந்த ஞானம் என்ன ஆகிடும்? நத்திங் வில் ஹேப்பன். மூர்ச்சிதோவா, அட் த டைம் ஆஃப் ஃபெயிண்டிங், நோ, அட் தட் டைம் ஹி லீவ்ஸ் த பாடி. தட்ஸ் வாட் ஹி சேஸ், தியஜத்து ஏஷாஹா பிராணான். At any stage of these five, if he leaves the body, at that time also, Bhrantihi na, Bhranti will not come back. Sarvatha, at any point of death, Tanum tyajatva kashyam swapachasya griheva. So, Tattva Bodha Visa, Jnani doesn't bother about his death, whether he is dying in Kashi or in the dog eater's house. He doesn't bother where I die on the road. என்னோட சிஷ்யாஸ் எல்லாம் பக்கத்தில் இருக்கானா இல்லையா, எனக்கு அப்புறம் யாரு பண்ணுவா, எனக்கு சில பண்ணுவானா இல்லையா, இதெல்லாம் பண்ணும். He never bother where, இது ஒரு ட்ராப்லெட், வேற எங்கே போனால் என்ன, இது எப்படி போனால் என்ன. இல்லை இது நல்லா நீட்டாக, அவர் பாடி ஸ்மெல்லே வரல, அவர் பாடி பக்கத்து போயினா நான் ஸ்மெல்லே வரல, அப்போ என்ன அவர் ஞானியா என்ன? அவர் ஞானியா என்ன? பாடி ஸ்மெல்ஸ் ஆர் நாட் டிபெண்ட் அப்பான் இட்ஸ் பாடி நேச்சர், த டிசீஸ், நாட் பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் ஞானம். People know this, that is why Vidyaranya knows all this, that's why he writes like this. Whether he dies at the time of epilepsy, or he dies when he is having chronic disease, or he dies when he is traveling anywhere, or he dies when sitting quietly, what doesn't matter. And the Bhranti delusion will not come for him. People only have delusion about his death. அவர் போகும்போது எல்லாருக்கும் சொல்லிட்டார், முன்னாடியே கூப்பிட்டு சொல்லிட்டாரா, சொன்னா என்ன பெருசு, சொல்லிட்டாரா. அப்புறம் நான் போகிறேன், நீங்கள் எல்லாம் உட்காருங்கோ சொல்லிட்டாரா. இதெல்லாம் கதையாக புக்கில் எழுதி போட்டால் இவங்களெல்லாம் படித்து, அப்புறம் ஞானி என்ன, எல்லாரும் அப்படி தான் போகணும். அப்படி போனால் வேற ஞானி, பைத்தியம் அப்படி. அப்படியெல்லாம் நினைக்காதே. இவங்களோட அகம் பிரம்மாஸ்மி ஞானத்துக்கு நீங்கள் உடம்பு விடுறதுக்கு சம்பந்தமே கிடையாது. பிராரப்தம் சமர்ப்பிதம் வபுஹு இத்யேஷா மனிஷா மம. Gnani never bother about the death of the body. People give importance to the body of the Gnani. They write books and these people read. Gnani அவர் போயிட்டாரு சந்தோஷமா. இவங்க மத்தியில் திண்டாடிட்டு இருக்க சிஷ்யாஸ் அண்ட் ரீடர்ஸ் ஆஃப் தட் புக். ஸோ வித்யாரண்யா வாண்ட் டு eliminate this type of ideas. Doesn't matter wherever he leaves the body. He is a Brahman. Now also he is a Brahman. He is ever Brahman. That's why Gnani is not afraid of his death anywhere at any time. Prarabdhaya samarpitam vapuh. The prarabdha wind, how it takes, he goes along with that. He goes means what? He leaves the body to that wind, pravaha. அது பற்றி நம்ம கவலைப்பட வேண்டாம். ஓகே, இப்போ இந்த ப்ரேயர், நான் பிராணம் போனால் வீட்டிலோனே போகணும், பெட்டில் போகணும், என்ன இதெல்லாம் பைத்தியம் தானே. இந்த மாதிரி பிராந்த் எல்லாம் விடப்பான்னு சொல்கிறார். சர்வதா எனிவே வேரெவர் ஹி இஸ் भ्रांति पुनः न आगच्छति. Delusion will not relapse once for all. Good, no, that jnanam has gone. Okay, gone. Good. Purnamada purnamidam purnat purnamudachyate purnasya purnamadaya purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.